Steve. I got me a collectible here. I'm pretty proud I got this a couple of years ago. It is the called the SOG Revolver. This is the Robbie Roberson version. There's the nylon sheath. It's never been used. It's got there's the old logo. There it is, Robbie Roberson. Remember this hole in the blade, I'll tell you why. Look at that point. Very sharp. Nice serration there too. This is real serration right there, man. That's the real deal. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the other side. You got a lanyard hole here. Let's go back to this side. You see this little opening right here? Right here, you push that button. Now remember that hole. This thing swings around like so. And there's a pin there that locks into the hole, which keeps that secure. So now I got me a saw. Just a great knife to keep in a backpack, I think. This is great for in the field, camping, hunting, what have you. There's the lever. Revolve it around. Locks in. Hear that click? And there you go. This is the SOG Revolver. This is the Robbie Roberson. Alrighty. Thanks for letting me share.